Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes here. All right. On this Facebook Live, they popping fireworks downtown. You know, look carefully, y'all. Oh, y'all see that? Uh huh. Yeah, that's beautiful, huh, y'all? Thank God I can see this from over here. You know. Yep. As y'all watching that, watching the fireworks and stuff, I necessarily don't have to be there. You know. Uh huh. Way from the comfort of my home. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, look at that. Ain't that beautiful, y'all? Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Oh, my God, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. A celebration that people will never forget. I bet them people over there is enjoying the show. I bet they're over there enjoying the show. I guarantee they're enjoying the show. Watching fireworks from my balcony. Oh my God, that's well. Did they stop? I guess they stopped. So I guess they stopped. I was recording with my camera though. Okay. I guess they stopped. Okay. So what's beautiful is watching the fireworks from the comfort of your own home and watching it in person. You know. So for New Year's and the 4th of July, they pop firecrackers around out here. Well, fireworks around here. You know. The sky is beautiful when they pop firecrackers. I mean, fireworks. You know, pop baby fireworks and stuff like that. You know. Mhm. Yeah. So I guess they had stopped. Let's look at the sky again. All right. I caught it at the end, and I recorded with my camera. Well, I don't know when I'm gonna upload that, but I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. You know, watching fireworks from my balcony. Yep. Uh huh. Yes, indeed. You know. Yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. God keep y'all. And anything that's going on, I'll record with this. All right. With that. All right. Bye.